girl, get on this, get on this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, hey girl, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this awesome Amazon find. These beautiful lashes that I am wearing today, yes, from Amazon, and I am so hyped because they are worth your money. Let me stop rambling and just show you the lashes. Here they are. They are so beautiful, you guys. I am obsessed with them. They are so comfortable and definitely worth the money. They were under $10. I will have the price right here so you can check them out, and also I will have them linked down below, that way you can shop them. And I hope you guys stick around for this video. Like my simple everyday makeup, which is just concealer. I was using the Benefit Boing concealer. This is my favorite concealer. By Benefit, and it's so freaking pretty. Like, the packaging is so cute. It's like the little square box, but the color is just the most beautiful pink. It's a warm pink. Hey guys, all right, so now I'm gonna be talking. Kai finally woke up, so I can talk now and I don't have to be so quiet. I'm currently doing my everyday makeup, and I really wanted to show you guys these lashes I got. They are so pretty, you guys. I picked these up because I needed some eyelashes, right? Like, I completely ran out. You know, whenever you're like at that last pair that you're like, ugh, I don't even want to, those ugly little lashes. Like, if you're a girl that wears lashes like often and you get down to that like emergency pair that you're like, oh no, these look wonky, like I was there. Look at this huge 20 pack of eyelashes, you guys, and they're two different styles. I can tell that they are two different looks, and they are so cute. Like, seriously, I am loving the way they look. Can you see these? I will have them linked down below, you guys, because honestly, they're so cute. I think I'm gonna go with these. These look like the cutest ones to me. They look wispy and a little bit longer in the front. I love that. That gives like baby doll vibes. Oh, you know what? It's actually 4 styles, you guys. Now that I'm looking at them more closely, it's like these are one style. This is another style. Third, fourth style. So there's 4 styles of lashes on here. These are super cute, you guys. All right, let's go with the first pair right there. Let's just see. Let's start with the first pair and see how it goes. I'm using this lash glue from Kiss. It is the clear one. I love it. I get mine on Amazon. I guess I do get everything on Amazon, you guys. I just cut these lashes like to my eye shape, the length of my eye. That's so important, ladies. Like, make sure you are cutting the eyelashes. Guess what? I'll let that get tacky. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some highlight, and it's so in your face, which I love. Like, I don't know, but I love me a blingy highlight. I'll apply some to my inner corner as well. And then to my nose, since we did contour it already, I'm also gonna add a little bit of that. So the lashes look like they are pretty tacky now. The glue looks like it's about to dry, so I'm gonna apply them now. Get close for you guys. add on the other one. Perfect. Recently started doing too, like recently, like as of 3 makeup looks ago. Like seriously, the last 3 times I've done my makeup, I did this. How are we liking these lashes, you guys? This is so freaking good. Put the price right here, but I know this was not more than $9, you guys. Like this was under $10. Like all these lashes and the quality, like they're so cute. I like to use mascara to combine the band and my natural lashes, but I like to wait because there's been a few times where I'm impatient and I go right in and the lash will come off on the lash wand. So I've been into white eyeliner, my waterline, because I just feel like it gives me way bigger eyes and just like more wide eye effect, and you look awake and it looks cute. And I love that like doll eye look, you know what I'm saying? Like just, so I'm gonna use this to just open up my eyes a little bit more. I'm using this NYX waterproof eyeliner and it's in the color white. So and I noticed that like the more I use it, the creamier it gets and more pigmented it is. So I always go back to the first eye and reapply because it, like, I don't know. All right, you guys, do you see how like instantly it made my eyes bigger? Like that is so cute, right? Okay, so now my lashes are on and they're perfect, and I love the way this makeup is coming out, you guys. Like it's so cute. This has been like my favorite makeup look, seriously, since I started doing it 3 makeup looks ago, which was since I started doing this makeup look last weekend. I tried it out and I'm like, oh my god, it's perfect. So super cute feathered brows. And for my brows, I did a reels on my Instagram and I will link it here. Go show your girl some love. Make sure you like and comment on it. I'm doing their brow search, you guys. You know, a girl can dream, and I hope I win. But I use their micro filling pen to do my eyebrows, and it just gives a pretty light feathered look. I use their brow gel, which of course is my favorite. It just really makes your brow hair just stick up however you want, and then I just shaped the brow and filled it in with the micro filling pen. So now we're gonna go ahead and go in with our mascara, and I'm using the Benefit They Are Real mascara. I love this mascara as well. I really like the little tip that it has. That tip is perfect for this other important tip for this that are really important, that are going to give us those eyes like fresh, awake. This little tip that I saw on TikTok, you guys, and I started trying it and I fell in love with it. So you're going to add mascara. We're about to blend these beautiful Amazon lashes with our naturals. So obviously if you look up, that you can see, you know, your little lashes, and we don't want that. So it just makes the lash blend better, you know. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply mascara, but only right here to the center of your lower lash line. So it's just to like very few. There we go. So it's just to a few of the little lashes at the bottom, and I just feel like it opens up my eyes so much. It kind of just draws your attention there, of making your eyes appear more open and bigger. So yeah, I love how my makeup turned out, you guys. These eyelashes are so freaking pretty. I highly recommend them, from Amazon. I don't think that the lash band is like too thick and uncomfortable, because you know how sometimes the lash band can like be uncomfortable, like if it's too hard. This one is not like that at all. Like I don't even feel them on, so they are gonna be real good. So these are cute, and like I said, you get 4 styles. Like, girl, get on this, get on this. And I will have the link down below on my Amazon storefront. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.